On today's episode of Fuel Up, I tackle mountains and Megs 99 in Squamish, BC.
And I'm standing in front of a giant lumberjack!
Yeah, I am. It's time to fuel up. Let's go. To get to Squamish from Vancouver, I ride Highway 99 North, or known as the Sea to Sky Highway, because, well, look at it. It's incredible. You've got oceans, mountains, and beautifully paved highways in between.
That ride was absolutely beautiful. So here we are in Squamish. You can see the big lumberjack behind me. Let's do some climbing and fuel up. That mountain there behind me is what I'm going to climb. So this should be interesting. Hope I don't die.
I continue on to meet my good friend and climbing partner, Justin.
I'm here with my good friend Justin, and he is a climbing expert, and he's going to take me out on my very first rock climbing expedition. I'm really nervous, actually.
Well, don't be.
Okay. I trust that I'm in good hands. You've got all the equipment. You know the route we're taking, I guess.
I've done it once or twice.
Okay, once or twice? It's good enough for me. I've done it never. Justin, will I walk away from this experience alive?
Absolutely. You're going to walk away alive with no broken or fractured limbs.
Woo! All right. Okay. All right. Let's get out of this garage and let's go to the mountain.
Woo! And right as we're about to ascend, my SD card dies. But thanks to modern technology, we make a phone video at the halfway point.
We're at the halfway point. Down there. This is fucked, okay? Like, listen, I know I look like I'm calm to my brilliant instructor, but this is crazy, man. And this is baby stuff we're doing here. But the view is beautiful. It's a beautiful day. I've got an amazing person that's leading me along, so let's just finish this up. Let's do this. All right.
And that we do.
So how do you feel after your epic battle with the mountain?
Man, I feel great. I survived. I'm here and I'm surviving, yeah. And it looks like I did a lot of work, but I didn't, because I had my master tour guide just like guide me up there. That was awesome. That was great.
After a morning of climbing and adrenaline, there's only one thing left to do, and that's to stuff my face at this Squamish institution, Megs 99.
What is this place? Meg's 99, Squamish, BC. It's got fried chicken, it's got Mexican food. You're like, what's happening here? Well, this is what's happening right here. So I got a piece of fried chicken and a pork and peanut taco. The taco here has some pickled onions, lettuce, cheese. It's massive. Anyway, let's shut up and let's just eat. That's real saucy. Very unique taco. Elements of the sauce, the peanut sauce, a little spicy, a little sweet, a little peanutty. Get that nice tender pork in there. Onto the lettuce, pickled onions. That's real good. And real Mexican. I love it. Chicken looks really well seasoned. Smells really good. Actually kind of smells like Kentucky Fried Chicken, which I like. So what you gotta do with the fried chicken, you just gotta rip it. Right? Rip it with your hands. Tender, juicy, nice flavor. This is great. Actually, this chicken isn't even terribly greasy. Honestly, this joint is pretty much my food wet dream. Like, when I can roll in and get fried chicken and I can get tacos, this is how you fuel up.
And there you have it. Another awesome day of food and fun on two wheels. I've been your travel host, Moniquea Marion. See you on the next episode of Fuel Up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on YouTube and follow on Instagram at Fuel Up The Show. Thanks for watching. Bye!